Sabona ex yami azinjani impilo silukuthi asikho sihle isimo akusuko lona boshaya amaphiko ukama nje umndeni wami ngiyawufida ngenxa yaleli phimbo adura usho unophuma kuleli phimbo one fuck zero do it for my people yeah.
Oh, baby, you're back.
Hi, Sphe.
Hi, Sphe.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Mind if I take a sit?
Oh, sure.
So, how are your holidays?
They're okay. Not too bad.
Yeah. Don't you want to know how were my holidays?
How were your holidays?
They're good. Listen, I know I've done some dumb stuff. I know I can be very slow. I know sometimes it's just hard for me to read between the lines. I can be clumsy. I know. I know. But I'm trying, and in the past 6 months, I've been thinking about you. Like a lot. Like I've been thinking about you a lot, and you know, I kind of know what I want now. You know, and I want you. I think you are the goal for me. I want you and only you. Please, just give me another chance, please, just one more chance. I mean, I deserve it. You know I deserve it. Just give me one more shot, please. Just one more shot, please. That's all I ask for, please. Yeah,
Okay.
No, just let me finish. Just one more chance is all I ask for, please. Please, let me make it up to you. I know 6 months is a lot, but I'm here now.
I didn't get KFC, so I bought. Baby?
engabe yinlengaka takunika yona